Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. You guys, it is already time for Black Friday. Crazy, I know. I've been spending like it's been Black Friday for like the past year, but it's actually Black Friday coming up. So you already know that a lot of brands are going to be having sales. And today I'm going to be showing you some Born Pretty products because they also are going to be having a sale as well. I'm going to have the information here on the screen because I don't want to try to repeat it and then totally screw it up, but I will also include it in the description box below. So make sure you check them out for Black Friday. They're doing Black Friday sale and a Cyber Monday. And Born Pretty products are actually like so good. I don't have as many as I wish. They have so many like cat eyes and stuff and reflective gels that I want to try. Hopefully my collection will start to grow soon. But for now, I do have some jelly gels that I want to share with you. And then I even have a pat paint gel, which I've never tried before, so I was really excited when they sent it to me. So thank you so much, Born Pretty. By the way, please ignore my background. I've gotten into a new addiction that has just gotten out of control so fast, so ignore that. Also, one other thing that I wanted to say before I forget, if you guys ever comment on my videos and I don't respond, I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on. Like, I don't get any notifications at all. I will get a notification, like I could see that there's a notification, but when I go and click on it, nothing is there. A lot of times I just don't think to go back to my videos to see if there's a new comment. I don't know if you guys know how many different accounts I have. I have a lot of different accounts that I post on. I don't think to go to my old videos to check for comments, so I'm not ignoring you guys. My notifications has just been so weird and it's very frustrating. So thank you for commenting and for engaging with me. Please don't let that stop you from engaging with me. I will get back to you as soon as I can. But yeah, I just wanted to put that out there so that way you guys don't think I'm ignoring you and being rude like that. So let me go ahead and show you the gels that Born Pretty sent to me, and then I will do a little look. I do have some nails on right now, so I'm not gonna put it on my hands. I'll just do like press on. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so this is the collection that Born Pretty sent me. It comes with 6 nude gel polishes, and these are all in 10 ml bottles, which is a really good size. And like I said, they're all nudes. They're so pretty. I love a good jelly gel. You know what, I just love all formulas of gel. I think I say I love every single one. So basically I love all formulas of gel. Here are the colors, really good variety to have. And then I also was sent a pat paint gel. You guys may know Boo Creamy here on YouTube. She's my bestie. She recently tried some pat paint gels from them as well and was showing it to me, and I instantly messaged them and was like, can I please try that? So they sent me one of the pat paint gels, and it is a purple. So we're gonna try these today. Let me go ahead and show you the swatches. I already did them. If you want to see the swatches done, you can check out my TikTok. I may post it as a short here, but let me just show you what they look like for now. Here is the entire collection. Look at how pretty these are. I think I did 2 coats for each of these. So with 2 coats, you can get it pretty opaque. So I feel like these would be really good bases for Frenchies. Yeah, so that's that. And then also here is that pat paint gel. And I think with the pat paint gels, it's pretty much like a paint gel. It's a thicker consistency, but it's supposed to be like easier to do ombres with. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna use this one for sure because we're gonna try out that pat paint and we're gonna try some ombres. Okay, I got my tips ready and I decided I'm gonna go in with number 4 with the pat paint gel because I feel like these would be beautifully ombre together. This kind of has like a purplish undertone to it, so I think it was just the perfect pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna paint all of these nails with 2 coats of this color here. I've never used the pat paints before, and normally when I do my ombres, I don't cure when I'm layering the colors. I will keep both colors wet so I can blend them together. I'm not really sure if that's how it's supposed to go with the pat paints, but I'm actually going to just cure this base color and then work with the pat paint on top of it. So we will see how that goes. I think that's technically how they're supposed to work. While I have that second layer curing, I want to use this cosmetic wedge here to apply the pat paint gel. I feel like that might be the best bet. So this is what it looks like. This is a very pretty springtime purple, but I think pairing it with this nude, this like cool tone nude, kind of gives like a fall time aspect to it, I guess. So I think the trick with these is you want to like do thin layers at a time. So I'm just gonna like take some, then I'm gonna pat the excess off and then go in. Oof, that is so pigmented. Wait, look how far that's going. Okay. Thought I was gonna have to go in with a couple of layers, but I think it's very pigmented to where I won't need to do that. Like, there's so much on there. Very easy to create a Frenchie though. Okay, and I think this takes 60 seconds to cure. That's just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this for the rest of the nails as well. Like, I'm only taking like what I dabbed off from earlier, so I don't think I'm gonna have to dig back into that pot. Like, this just gives the most perfect and subtle ombre. I'm loving this. I want more of these pat paints. Like, look how fast that was. I am leaving that in real time so you guys can see like just how fast that was. You guys, I think this is like the easiest Frenchies I've ever done. This literally just does all the work for you. And I haven't dipped in. I've only used what was on that mixing palette. Of course, you can build up the opacity to as much as you'd like, but I think this is looking so pretty and dainty right now. Okay, here we go. I only did one coat for each of these. That was so fast, you guys. I am not even kidding you. I just did these so fast. I think that's like the fastest and easiest Frenchies I've ever done. So if you're struggling with Frenchies, try this method. Try these pat paints. They are so easy to work with, and I actually really enjoyed working with them. Okay, so I found these stickers, and I thought this would be a good way to make it more like fall-esque. I don't know if this is just like one giant sticker you have to like rip apart. It looks like this might just be one corner. I don't know where this starts or ends. Why does it say to do that? Let's see if this will work. Yeah, buddy. Why did it make me cut like that? Why did it make me cut? What was the point of that? Wait. I'm confused. Is this like one giant sheet? It is a giant sheet. What do I do? How do I work with this? Let's put this just on this one. And then cut. I don't remember where I got these. I may have gotten them from like Temu or Shein. I feel like that's where I got them. Okay, I finally got it on. That was a little bit weird and difficult to work with. As you can see, it did crinkle up here. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna just add a top coat. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if I want to restart it and just not use it, or if I just want to go with it. I mean, I think it looks kind of cool. I think I might just add it to these two as well. But I'm gonna do it off camera because that was a little bit difficult. As you saw, it's just a sheet, so you just have to put it over the nail like that. So I think I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. I mean, I like the flowers on here. I just don't like that it is one whole sheet, the whole sticker sheet. I don't like that it's one whole piece, so I wouldn't recommend it. Normally I would link it below, but I don't really think I will because I don't recommend it. I already top coated the ones with the stickers. I just used my top coat from Dime Nails. If you guys have never tried Dime Nails, you guys are missing out. This top coat is amazing. So I think the last thing I'm gonna do actually is I want to put this bear on it. Look how cute he is. And I think I just want to put him like right on the middle nail, because I mean, why not? And then just keep the other two like Frenchies. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my rhinestone glue from the cart. But look how cute this bear is. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and top coat these other two. I'm gonna keep them as like a simple Frenchie. Okay, this is the final nail set. What do you guys think? Isn't that bear just the cutest? I have a bunch and I just had to use him. I thought it was like perfect. The flowers and this bear, I think, totally made this more fall appropriate because the colors were more of a springtime color. Oh, that pat paint gel is amazing. I definitely want to try more of those. These were like the easiest Frenchies ever. I hope you guys like this set and I hope you guys like this video. Thank you again so much, Born Pretty, for sending me these products. I hope to be able to test out more of your pat paint soon and more of your products. So don't forget, you guys, to check out their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. I'll make sure to link everything down below and put all the information you need, okay? Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me as always. I will see you guys next time. Bye!